Hello everyone. Today's our topic is modal verbs. Modal verbs are sometimes called as modals. They are auxiliary verbs just like be, do, have. They work together with the main verb. They are used to indicate modality, that is, ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestions, order, obligation, or advice. Modals help to express the mood or attitude of the speaker. The main verb that follows the modal is in bare infinitive form. Bare infinitive means without to. Look at these examples. I could go, you should take, they would like. In all these sentences, could, should, would are the modals. And they are followed by bare infinitive verb. Go, take, like. These verbs are bare infinitives without to. Means always the modal verb is followed by bare infinitive form of verb. Modal verbs are used in English to express something. They have a purpose. With a specific purpose, they are used in a sentence. And today, we are going to understand the purpose of each modal. Modals always have the same form. They do not change according to the number and person of the subject. The same modal verb can express different meanings. Now let's see the uses of modal verbs. Can is used to indicate ability, possibility, permission, and informal request. Could for permission, suggestion, formal request. May and might for permission, probability. Must for obligation, prohibition. Should and would for advice and obligation. Will, shall to indicate willingness and certainty. Certainty means actions certain to happen in near future. It's called certainty. Used to, ought to, need to, dare, have to. These are also modal verbs. They are semi-modals. They are also used for different meaning or different purpose in a sentence. So let's know them. Ought to express obligation. Used to, habitual action in the past. Need, necessity. Dare, challenge. Have to, for expressing obligation. Now students, from this we understand that same modal verb can be used to express different meanings. Now let's see some examples to understand the purpose of each modal in the sentence. You should stop eating junk food. Advise. Should is used to advise someone. You should stop. I can sing. Ability. Can is used to express ability. May God bless you. Wish. Pray. May is used to express wish and pray. You ought to take care of your parents. Obligation. Obligation means duty. Legally bound. Duty is obligation. You ought to take care of your parents. It is our duty. Ought to, obligation. The keys might be with the office assistant. Might be, possibility. It is possible that the keys are with the office assistant. So might is used. The keys might be with the office assistant. Now let's see some more examples and try to understand the purpose of each modal auxiliary in the sentence. You should do your homework regularly. Should. Should here used for advice or suggestion. I used to go to movies quite often. Used to indicates the past habitual action. May I use your pen please? May used for permission. Would you like some coffee? Would for offer. You ought to follow the rules of the school. Ought to, obligation. It is your duty. So, in this way, we understand that the same modal verb can express different meanings. Now take some examples for practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct model. I dash cross the bridge without any help. Ability. You have to use the model which express ability. You dash consult a doctor for your promise. Advice. Dash I interrupt you. Permission. Children dash to obey their elders. Duty. He dash go regularly for a walk in his childhood. Habitual action. Try to use the correct modal verb with the purpose given in the bracket. Thank you.